Aloha guys, Darren Fryer here, coming to you from my home in Maui, Hawaii, and in this video, a very short and simple tutorial on how to adjust your shaken massager into the AI mode setting. I've had this machine for 6 months, really only used the body shaping mode on level 3, but recently we just learned that there's an AI mode that actually connects to the watch, so it will adjust dynamically based on the readings it's getting from the watch that OlyLife provides with the shaken massager. So let's get right into it. I'll show you guys how to set it up and how it kind of works. So the first thing you're gonna do is turn on the shaken massager. You strap it around your waist, make sure you use the right strap so it adjusts to your waist size. Press and hold the power button, and now the shaken massager is on. The next step is to take your Oly watch that comes with the shaken, push the side button, turn on the normal watch interface, you push it one more time, goes to the settings, you'll see at the very top it'll say shaken massager. It'll quickly find the shaken massager through Bluetooth and connect to it, and then you'll basically switch through the modes. So right now it automatically went to body shaping, so we're just going to swipe up, and find the AI mode, and then you simply tap on it. And now you'll see that the belt automatically switched into AI mode. And now what's going to happen is it's going to dynamically shift through all the different settings, heat, PEMF, vibration, massage, depending on the readings it's getting from your body from the Oly watch. So really cool setting if you want to personalize your shaken massager according to the biometric data that you're getting from the watch. So really easy to use. I've heard that it's best to actually wear the watch for at least 24 hours so it can collect a full day of reading, and then it's going to basically help adjust the shaken massager to cater to that specifically for you. So keep in mind that it will pause on AI mode because it is actively communicating with the watch to read your real-time biofeedback. It evaluates your body state, dynamically shifts between its multi-tech functions, PEMF, heat, vibration. The data sampling works with the smart health watch to track the metrics. It adjusts instead of running a static non-stop vibration or heat pattern. So the AI will periodically halt physical shaking or change gears to reevaluate and transition to a different frequency combination tailored to your body's live response. It's really leveraging subsensory tech. So while it's pausing the physical shaking, invisible and unfeelable modalities like pulsed electromagnetic field, low-level thermal output, and localized microcurrents are still actively cycling.